Here is the sign for wedding. Okay, we're going to use the hand shapes of the letter B, in the alphabet, like A, B, C. How do you make a B? Start like this, fingers together, take your thumbs, bring them in front. Okay, now we're going to take those B's, turn them down so they're vertical there, pointing at the ground, tips of the fingers pointing at the ground. We're going to bring them together and join them. Now my dominant hand is going to stay in the B hand shape the whole time. Whoomp, like that. My non-dominant hand starts like a B, but when this one comes in, it's going to open up the thumb so the fingers can go in. All right, so if it was flat, it would be something like this. Watch my thumb over here. All right, can you see how the thumb opened up? All right, so it's B, opens up, lets it in. Wedding, wedding, wedding. From the side. From the other side. Wedding. From the front again. Wedding. Okay, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Wedding. Wedding. Okay, quick review. The hand shapes are the letter B, like in the alphabet. Just fingers together, thumbs in front. Now I'm right-handed. Put that one right down there. Non-dominant hand down there. So they're parallel, pointing down. We're going to bring them together. And right when they get together, the thumb of your non-dominant hand is going to open to let the fingers in. So you kind of join together. So you kind of look at that. Right? This one opens up so it can take in and grab the other one. Wedding. Wedding. Okay, we just talked about how to sign wedding.